And special thanks to my friends at this company who are nice enough to send me this kid's camera. This is the SF65, has an HD screen, time photography, memory expansion, autofocus, and it's made of an eco-friendly material. Just the company logo there. The options of which ones you have, ours looks like a unicorn, and those same features here. A little warning for the battery, because it has a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery that's not removable. And the back is just some of the specs. So like I said, SF65 model, age range is 3+. So let's open this on up and take a look at it here. So take the top off. And we have the included micro USB cable to charge it up. And then we have the actual little camera. And it's just plastic. Then we've got a USB-A to micro SD card adapter. This would allow you to take the 32 gigabyte included micro SD card and slide into here so that, well, you're able to read it on a normal PC with a normal USB-A port. This would work like a flash drive in a way. There's also a nice little wrist strap here, and that's it for the box. A little user's manual for you to tell you how to use it, and the battery warning as well. So this is the camera. There we go. Very girly, very nice. That's where your wrist strap would go. Got a screen back here. Even got some buttons, so like that turns it on. You can choose through your settings. Can do video, it looks like. Music. Very cool. So there's a little bit of the screen. 1080p camera, it says. Wow, that button brings you back. Look at there's the actual camera options. Bam. 3, 2, 1. Took us a picture, and this button should take us to our, oh, whoa, has 2 cameras? Well, that's pretty dope. I didn't even realize there's a front-facing camera as well as the main camera. That is, that's pretty darn cool. You can, though, get over here to your gallery, where you're able to see the photos I had taken. Very, very nice. I can't believe it has 2 cameras. I must have missed that in the manual. Don't even mention that really on the box anywhere, but there is 2 cameras on this thing. That's pretty darn amazing. Now you would charge it here on the side with the micro USB cable, and this is where your SD card would go inside. And you've got this little unicorn looking figure on the top. Perfect for your daughter or granddaughter, whoever may want this. So that should essentially do it for the unboxing of this kid's camera. Thank you all for watching. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.